क्लास लेने के लिए अपना मोबाइल है।
So here we are at the experiment setup gyroscope experiment system. You can see, and here is one disc is there. So this will this can rotate. So this disc is having mass 5.5 kg, and this disc is driven by your a motor, and this motor, the speed of the motor is controlled by a variable. By that you can change the speed whatever the speed you need. So what will happen if you start the motor? So this disc will rotate in this direction. This disc will rotate in this direction. So what will happen? The angular momentum, if you see, the angular momentum is will be in this direction, in this direction. Now if I put some load on this, if I put some load on this, okay, what will happen? The angular momentum, the direction of the angular momentum, that will change. So angular momentum will be your in this direction. So initially what was, it was horizontal, so now it has made an angle. So the change of angular momentum, that will be in a downward direction. So that will cause the gyroscopic effect. So whatever the change that will be in a downward direction, that will call the active gyroscopic couple. And if we take the upward direction, so that will be your reactive gyroscopic couple, that will act on this system. And that gyroscopic that active reactive couple is upward direction. So if we put the thumb on upward direction, so this will be the rotation. Okay, so this will try to rotate in this angle. Now in this experiment I want to say one another thing. When I am putting the load, so the angular momentum direction, it was initially in this direction, okay, in this direction, so it is going downward. Now if I put the load such that, so this is going in upward direction. Okay, so what will happen if in upward direction? So at that moment, due to the reactive couple, so this will rotate in opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction, that will happen. So now we are starting the experiment. You see, we shall measure the, उसको ऐसे रखो, हाँ, focus. Now we are measuring the thickness of the disc. I have 10 mm. Now we are measuring the radius of the disc. No, radius of the disc you measure 155. There is some error in due to this angle. There is some error also, and this
310 mm.
now diameter 310 mm.
Moment of arm length is 200 mm.
200 mm. Moment of arm. This distance is 200. So here I shall put the load. Now start the machine. So the machine has been started, and you know, this is the speed of the disc that we are measuring by a tachometer. So tachometer, how much is the speed? 2200 rpm. 2200 rpm is the spinning speed. Now he is putting the load 1 kg. 1 kg load he is applying, and he is taking the stopwatch so that he can measure the time for the angle of precision. again is applied load, so one couple, due to the couple, he will try to rotate. So he is measuring the time. Here in the below 0 to 90 degree, 90 degree to 180 degree, 180 degree to 270 degree, 270 to 360. He is measuring the time.